3 critical mistakes during COVID-19 coronavirus that you must avoid at all costs. At the end of the video, I'll share a DIY chart to check if your purchase is truly undervalued. Number 1, your emotion versus your logic. Today, the whole world is affected by the coronavirus, and I can tell you honestly, many of our show flats are empty. But should you buy when the show flat is empty or when everyone is rushing and crowded? PM Lee has announced on Straits Times, doesn't rule out that recession is coming as virus hits our economy hard. This is our STI index and the Dow index. Wow, if only my weight can also drop like that. A lot of our buyers and sellers have pulled their handbrakes in this period, no matter how cheap or how safe it is. They are holding back and missing great opportunity. Number 2, unable to listen to the right noise. Crisis means 危机 in Chinese. When you break up the two words, it means danger and opportunity. When there's danger, there's always opportunity. Take this financial crisis as an example. SARS in 2003, when everything was over, prices index went up 115%. H1N1, economy recovered, went up 88%. 2013, cooling measures, we are 35% upwards from our lowest point. So, if you agree with me that this is a global pandemic, can you see the opportunity as well? These are the few great investments that made it during the previous crisis. Do you want to see what's the current biggest opportunity just went by? The M. So 70% on launch day. Cannot be so many people buy out of impulse, right? These investors and homeowners took action. Many of them are sitting on profits now. Oh, by the way, interest rate fell as well. So if you ask Ken Tay, you can save hundreds of dollars per month of savings just by refinancing with the right bank. Lastly, failure to unlock your assets potential. Assuming you bought Caspian 3-bedder unit at 750. Today, it's worth 1.3 million. Will you choose to sell it away or keep it? Firstly, I want to clarify, nothing wrong with holding on to your asset because everybody has their own needs, wants and challenges. These are the common seller's mindset. I'm happy with my development. Sell already buy what? I cannot buy back the same price already what? I believe prices will continue climbing. If you are sitting on profit today, congratulations. But can I show you some projects with stagnant prices? If the owners of this condo had taken profit and restructured, this would have happened for them. They would have re-entered the market from a brand new development, and this is what they would have got. Okay, after learning on these 3 critical mistakes, the most important thing is, ask yourself this: how much do you need to retire? If you retire at the age of 62 and you live till 80, assuming you spend $2,500 per month, you will need $540,000 cash in your savings. Husband and wife, together 1.08 million. When you retire, would you like to have a $500,000 fully paid HDB or a $5 million condo? $500,000 HDB, when you retire and want to downgrade, where to downgrade to? But if you own a fully paid condo, don't need 5 million, 2 million can already. You can fully pay any HDB with superb location in Singapore and still have plenty for your retirement. Share me, location more important or entry price more important? All the above examples may not have the best of the best location, but they have the safest entry price possible. So, how to determine what is a safe entry price? Comment Ask Ken Tay and I'll send this chart to you. I hope I added some value to you. All you have to do is ask. I'll see you.